Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House, where we transform spaces into sanctuaries. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's modern farmhouse tour inspired by the timeless elegance of Mark Stewart's design philosophy. This home perfectly captures that coveted curated casual aesthetic, where sophistication meets comfort in the most effortless way. We'll explore stunning vaulted ceilings, rich natural wood elements, and those perfectly imperfect details that make farmhouse design so irresistible. If you're ready to fall in love with summer farmhouse living, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into this gorgeous home together. Let's start where first impressions matter most. The exterior. This modern farmhouse showcases Mark Stewart's signature approach to architectural storytelling. Notice how the combination of whiteboard and batten siding with natural cedar accents creates visual interest without overwhelming the eye. The black window frames provide that essential contrast that's become synonymous with contemporary farmhouse design. Those oversized front porch columns aren't just structural. They're making a style statement. The key here is proportion and balance, ensuring each element feels intentional rather than trendy. This exterior perfectly sets the stage for the magic waiting inside. Step through those stunning double doors, and you're immediately greeted by what I call functional beauty. This entryway nails the Mark Stewart principle of purposeful design. The reclaimed wood bench provides seating while doubling as storage, perfect for those summer sandals and beach bags. Above, a row of matte black hooks keeps jackets and hats organized, while the vintage-inspired mirror adds both light and the illusion of space. The jute runner grounds the space literally and figuratively, bringing in that natural texture that's so essential to farmhouse design. Notice how everything serves a purpose while looking effortlessly beautiful. Now, this is what I call elevated comfort. The living room showcases those show-stopping vaulted ceilings that draw your eye upward, creating an incredible sense of space and grandeur. The exposed wooden beams aren't just decorative. They're architectural jewelry that adds character and warmth. The neutral sectional and creamy linen provides ample seating while maintaining that clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Those throw pillows in varying textures, think chunky knits and soft linens, add layers without chaos. The secret to this look is restraint. Every piece is chosen for both function and beauty, creating a space that's Instagram-worthy yet completely livable. The dining room embodies what Mark Stewart calls intimate grandeur. That stunning live-edge dining table is the star of the show. It's natural wood grain telling a story of craftsmanship and authenticity. The mix of seating, upholstered chairs, and a wooden bench creates visual interest while accommodating different comfort preferences. Above, the statement chandelier combines industrial elements with farmhouse charm, perfectly bridging old and new. The table styling keeps it simple yet sophisticated. A wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruit, linen napkins, and fresh greenery. Remember, the best tablescapes feel effortless, like you just happened to arrange them perfectly. Welcome to the kitchen, truly the heart of any farmhouse home. This space perfectly demonstrates Mark Stewart's functional luxury philosophy. The white shaker cabinets provide timeless appeal, while the butcher block island adds warmth and workspace. That gorgeous range with its vintage-inspired details becomes a focal point, especially paired with the classic subway tile backsplash. The small coffee station tucked into the corner shows how every inch can be both beautiful and purposeful. Open shelving displays everyday dishes as decor, proving that the most beautiful accessories are often the ones we use daily. The key is editing. Only display what you truly love. This family room is where modern farmhouse living truly shines. The flat-screen TV is cleverly integrated into a built-in unit that doesn't sacrifice style for function. The sectional sofa, covered in durable performance fabric, proves that family-friendly can still be fabulous. Those wooden coffee table, books, and ceramic vessels add personality without clutter. The color palette stays neutral, but never boring, thanks to varying textures and natural materials. The secret to this space's success is layering. Soft throws, textured pillows, and natural wood elements create depth and interest while maintaining that clean, uncluttered farmhouse aesthetic. Here's where functionality meets farmhouse charm. This multifunctional space proves that working from home doesn't mean sacrificing style. The compact wooden desk with its clean lines and brass hardware embodies Mark Stewart's minimalist approach. That vintage-inspired radio adds personality, while the small desk clock keeps things practical. The key is choosing pieces that serve multiple purposes. The desk doubles as a console table, while the vintage still provides seating that can easily move throughout the home. The built-in shelving displays books and personal treasures, creating a space that's both productive and inspiring. Remember, the best home offices feel like part of the home, not separate from it. Every home needs a quiet corner for reflection, and this reading nook delivers in the most beautiful way. The comfortable armchair in soft linen invites you to curl up with a good book, while the floor lamp provides perfect task lighting. The small side table holds your coffee cup and current read, proving that even the smallest spaces can be incredibly functional. The key to creating the perfect reading nook is comfort and lighting. You want to feel embraced by the space. The neutral color palette and natural textures create a calming environment that encourages relaxation and contemplation. The master bedroom embodies Mark Stewart's philosophy of serene sophistication. The white linen bedding creates a hotel-like luxury that's perfect for summer, while the wooden nightstands add warmth and texture. The vaulted ceiling continues the home's architectural theme, creating a sense of airiness that's perfect for warm weather. The minimal color palette, whites, creams, and natural wood tones, promotes restful sleep while maintaining visual interest through varying textures. The key to this look is layering different whites and creams, creating depth without overwhelming the peaceful atmosphere. Notice how every element serves the goal of creating a tranquil retreat. This bathroom proves that farmhouse design can be both rustic and refined. The walk-in shower, with its subway tile surround and brass fixtures, creates a spa-like experience that's perfect for starting your day. The wooden vanity adds warmth and storage, while the vessel sink provides a modern touch. The large mirror reflects light and creates the illusion of more space, a crucial element in any bathroom design. The neutral color palette and natural materials create a calming environment that encourages relaxation. The key to farmhouse bathroom design is balancing rustic elements with modern convenience, creating a space that's both beautiful and functional. Even the garage gets the farmhouse treatment. This space shows how Mark Stewart's design principles extend to every corner of the home. The pegboard organization system keeps tools and supplies visible and accessible, while the wooden workbench provides a sturdy workspace. The concrete floors are sealed and easy to clean, proving that farmhouse style doesn't sacrifice practicality. The key to a beautiful garage is organization and intentionality. Every item has a designated place. The neutral color palette and Natural materials create a cohesive look that connects to the rest of the home, proving that style doesn't stop at the door. Step outside onto this incredible patio where indoor comfort meets outdoor living. The wooden pergola provides shade and structure, creating an outdoor room that feels like an extension of the home. The comfortable seating area with weather-resistant cushions proves that outdoor furniture can be both practical and beautiful. The outdoor kitchen area with its stone countertops and wooden accents shows how farmhouse design translates beautifully to outdoor spaces. The key to successful outdoor living is creating distinct zones, dining, lounging, and cooking, while maintaining a cohesive design aesthetic. The natural materials and neutral colors create a seamless transition from indoor to outdoor living. The garden design perfectly complements the farmhouse aesthetic with its emphasis on natural beauty and functionality. The raised beds filled with vegetables and herbs show how farmhouse living embraces the connection to the land. The gravel, pathways, and wooden edging create structure while maintaining an organic feel. The climbing roses and lavender add color and fragrance, creating a sensory experience that's quintessentially farmhouse. The key to farmhouse garden design is balancing beauty with practicality. Every plant serves a purpose, whether it's food, beauty, or fragrance. The natural materials and informal layout create a garden that feels both intentional and effortless. Let's talk about those gorgeous handmade pillows that add so much personality to this space. These aren't just accessories. They're conversation starters that reflect the homeowner's personal style. The mix of textures, chunky knits, soft linens, and vintage-inspired prints creates visual interest while maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic. The neutral color palette ensures they'll work with changing seasons and trends. The key to using handmade accessories is restraint. Choose pieces that truly speak to you rather than filling every surface. These pillows prove that the most beautiful homes are those that tell a story about the people who live there. Throughout this home, handcrafted elements add soul and authenticity that you simply can't buy in stores. The wooden bowl on the dining table, the ceramic vases on the shelves, and the woven baskets for storage all speak to Mark Stewart's appreciation for artisan craftsmanship. These pieces add texture, interest, and most importantly, a sense of history and authenticity. The key to incorporating handcrafted elements is choosing pieces that serve a purpose while adding beauty. These aren't just decorative objects. They're functional art that enhances daily life while supporting skilled craftspeople. The personalized rugs throughout this home do more than just cover floors. They define spaces and add warmth to every room. In the living room, the large jute rug with its subtle pattern grounds the seating area while adding texture and interest. The runner in the hallway creates a pathway that draws you through the space, while the smaller rugs in the bedrooms add softness and comfort. The key to choosing farmhouse rugs is selecting natural materials and neutral colors that will stand the test of time. These rugs prove that sometimes the most important design elements are the ones that literally support everything else. The wool decor in this home perfectly embodies Mark Stewart's approach to curated simplicity. Rather than covering every wall with artwork, each piece is chosen for its impact and meaning. The vintage-inspired botanical prints in the dining room add color and life, while the wooden signs in the kitchen add personality and charm. The key to farmhouse wall decor is choosing pieces that reflect your personal style while maintaining the oeuvre. Aesthetic, these walls prove that sometimes less really is more. Each piece of art has room to breathe and make its own statement. Let's talk about the styling secrets that make this home feel so effortlessly put together. It's all about the rule of 3. Grouping accessories in odd numbers creates visual interest and balance. He mix of heights, textures, and materials adds depth without chaos. The key is editing, choosing only pieces that you truly love and that serve the overall design aesthetic. The styling in this home proves that farmhouse design isn't about having the most accessories, but about choosing the right ones and displaying them thoughtfully. One of the most beautiful aspects of this farmhouse design is how easily it transitions through the seasons. The neutral base allows for simple changes, swapping heavy throws for lighter linens, adding fresh flowers instead of dried arrangements, and opening windows to let in the summer breeze. The key to seasonal decorating is making small changes that have big impact. This home proves that you don't need to redecorate entirely. Just refresh with seasonal elements that enhance the existing design. The farmhouse aesthetic is timeless, but it's also flexible enough to celebrate each season's unique beauty. What a journey through this stunning modern farmhouse. We've explored how Mark Stewart's design philosophy creates spaces that are both beautiful and livable, sophisticated yet comfortable. From those show-stopping vaulted ceilings to the carefully curated accessories, every element works together to create a home that's truly special. Remember, the best farmhouse design isn't about following trends. It's about creating a space that reflects your personal style while embracing the timeless appeal of natural materials and functional beauty. I hope this tour has inspired you to incorporate some of these elements into your own home. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Like this video if it sparked some ideas. And comment below with your favorite farmhouse element. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep designing the life you love.